Hi, my dear little ones. Good morning. Do you know me? Do you know me? I am your own Savda teacher. Okay, dears. Do you know why I came here today? Do you know? Okay, I will tell you. It is about telling you a story of Bruno. Are you happy? Are you happy? Okay, good children. Okay, my dears, let me ask, who is this? Who is this? Who is this? Yes, say loudly, who is this? This is our Bruno. Yes, very good. Okay, who is Bruno? Who is Bruno? Yes. Who is Bruno? Bruno is Sachin's puppy. Bruno is Sachin's puppy. If so, who is this? Who is this? This is? Yes. Say loudly. Who is this? Yes, Sachin. Who is Sachin? Who is Sachin? Yes, very good. Sachin is Bruno's friend. Very good, children. Okay. Bruno is Sachin's puppy. Sachin is Bruno's friend. Okay. Very good. Okay. Do you like story? Do you like story? Teacher likes story a lot. Do you like story? Yes. Very good. Okay. Do you like the story of Bruno? Do you like? Okay, do you know the story of Bruno? Do you know the story of Bruno? No? Okay, don't worry, my dears. I will tell you the story of Bruno. I will tell you the story of Bruno. Okay, my dears, it is our Bruno is a naughty puppy. Our Bruno is a naughty puppy. What is the meaning of naughty? Do you know what is the meaning of naughty? Are you a naughty boy? Are you a naughty girl? No. All of you are good children. Aren't you? Aren't you? Say loudly, my dears. Yes. All of you are good children. But our puppy, our Bruno is a naughty puppy. Our Bruno is a naughty puppy. One day, our Bruno and Sachin were playing in the yard. Do you know what is that play? Do you know? Do you remember that? What is that play? Yes. Bruno and Sachin playing with a ball. What is the color of that ball? Yes. Very good. What is the color of that ball? Red. Bruno and Sachin were playing with a red ball. That time, a fish seller came to near the gate. The gate was open. Our Bruno, our naughty Bruno, ran out of the gate. Our naughty Bruno ran out of the gate. Oh, our Sachin ran with him. Our Sachin ran with him, but our naughty Bruno ran quickly. Our naughty Bruno ran quickly. Our Sachin is very sad. He ran to his father and told his father, Father, Bruno ran out of the gate. That time the father asked him, was the gate open? Yes, father. Please come with me. Let's go and look for him. Do you understand this conversation? understand? Okay, let's present the conversation. Are you ready? Let's present the conversation. Are you ready? Okay, for this we can invite the Bindu teacher. Okay, Bindu teacher, please come. Okay, let's start the conversation. Listen here, my dears. Father.
Why are you crying? What's happened?
Father, Bruno ran out of the gate. Please come with me, Father. Let's go and look for him.
Don't worry. Don't cry. Let us go and search for him.
Thank you, Father.
Okay, let us go.
Okay. Do you understand this conversation? Okay, good children. Then our Sachin and father walked and reached a street. What is street? Do you know what is street? What is the meaning of street? Do you know? What is the meaning of street? Okay, say loudly, what is the meaning of street? Our Pandikad is a street. Our Manjeri is another street. Perindalmana is a street. What is street? Yes, very good. What is street? What can we see in the street? What can we see in the street? Yes, say loudly, my dears. Yes, many vehicles, shops. Then fruit sellers, vegetable sellers. Then bangle sellers and many things in the street. Okay, in the big street, Manjeri is a big street. In the big street we call town. In the big street we call town. Okay dears, do you understand? What's the meaning of street? Yes, street means Angadi. Street means Angadi. Okay, then our Sachin and his father walked and reached a street. There they saw a woman. Sachin is told the woman, did you see a puppy? Did you see a puppy? That time the woman is said that, yes, I just saw one running to the park. I just saw one running to the park. But Sachin and his father couldn't find Bruno anywhere. Sachin is very sad. He sang a song. But that song was heard by Bruno from the park. Okay. He also sang this song. Okay. Let's sing that song. Are you ready? Let's sing that song. Are you ready? Yes, very good. Okay, our Sachin sang a song. That song was heard by Bruno from the park. He also sang this song. Look at the bird. At first, Sachin say, oh my Bruno, where are you, my puppy? Oh my Bruno, where are you, my puppy? Okay, that time Bruno say, I'm here in the park, oh my friend. I'm here in the park, oh my friend. Then Sachin say, oh my Bruno, I love you, my puppy. Oh my Bruno, I love you, my puppy. I know that love, my friend. I know Dad, love my friend. Did you like the song? Did you like the song? Yes, very good. Okay, my dear cities. Where is our Bruno now? Where is our Bruno now? Do you know? Where is our Bruno now? Yes, say loudly. Where is our Bruno now? Yes, in the park. In the park. Okay, look at the screen. Okay, what is this picture? How do you feel about this picture? How do you feel about this picture? Yes, very good. Say loudly. Yes, this is a park. Okay, my dears, can you see Bruno in the park? Can you see? Can you see Bruno in the park? Yes, Bruno is here. Bruno is here. Our naughty puppy Bruno is sat on a wheel. He sat on a wheel. Our Bruno is sat on a wheel. Our naughty puppy. Okay, okay, my dears. Do you like the park? Do you like the park? Yes. Okay. What can we see in the park? What can we see in the park? Say loudly, my dears. What can we see in the park? Yes. Seesaw. Then next is seesaw. Sing. Okay, okay, okay. Merry-go-round. Okay. Plants. Okay, plants. Okay, flowers. Then slide. Very good. Climber. Yes, yes, very good. Say loudly. Then trees. Okay, many things in the park. A park. There are many trees and flowers. And there are slide and sing. Benches to sit. There are benches. There are benches to sit. Children are playing in the park. Children are playing in the park. Okay, dears. I show you a word sun. This is about a park. The word sun about a park. Listen here. All these items are we can see in the park. All these items we can see in the park. Okay, what is that thing? Flowers, merry-go-round, seesaw, swing, climber, slide, pond, garden, riders and trees, lawn. Okay, all these items we can see in the park. Do you like park? Do you like park? Okay. Okay, my dears. You write a description using this word sun. You write a description using this word sun. Are you ready? Are you ready? Okay. Where is our Bruno now? Where is our Bruno now? Yes, say loudly, my dears. Where is our Bruno now? Yes, in the park. Our Bruno is in the park. Okay. What will our Bruno do in the park? What will our Bruno do in the park? Do you know? Okay. Look at the screen. Okay. What will Bruno do in the park? What will Bruno do in the park? Let's see. Okay, dears, look at the screen. A park is a beautiful place. A park is a beautiful place. See this, our Bruno called out. beautiful place. Park is a beautiful place. See this? Our Bruno called out, what a nice place. Okay, what a nice place. Bruno ran around the park. Bruno ran around the park. Bruno ran around the park. Do you understand? What's the meaning of that sentence? Do you understand? Bruno ran around the park. Okay? Okay, then sat on the swing. He sat on the swing. He sat. What's the meaning of sat? Sat means sat on the swing. He sat on the swing. Do you understand? Bruno sat on the swing. Then the swing moved to and fro. Our Bruno sat on the swing. Then the swing is moved to and fro. What is the meaning of to and fro? To and fro. To and fro. Our swing to and fro. Bruno sat on the swing. That time the swing to and fro. Do you understand the meaning of to and fro? To and fro. Do you understand? Okay, dears. Then he jumped down from the swing. Then he jumped down. He jumped down from the swing. He jumped down. Jumped means, what is jumped? Jumped. Yes, very good. He jumped down. He jumped down from the swing. From the swing. Do you understand the meaning of that sentence? Okay. Whoo, he slide. Whoo, he slide. Oh, our Bruno saw a slide. Then he said, "Oh, he slide." He climbed. He climbed. He climbed. He climbed and slide down. He climbed and slide down. Do you understand? Our Bruno climbed up and slide down. Understand? Our Bruno climbed up and slide down. He rolled. What's the meaning of rolled? He rolled on the grass. What's the meaning of grass? Grass. What's the meaning of grass? Grass means pull. Okay. He rolled on the grass. Hi, a climber. Our Bruno saw a climber. Oh, hi, a climber. Hi, a climber. He climbed up. Bruno then jumped onto a bench. He climbed up and jumped onto a bench. Then jumped onto a bench. Bruno climbed up and jumped onto a bench. Do you understand that sentence meaning? Okay? Okay, dear. Go away. What's the meaning of go away? Shouted a boy. Shouted. What's the meaning of shouted? Go away. That's shouted. Go away. A boy shouted a boy. Bruno ran off. Ran off. Okay. My dears, do you understand this part? Do you understand? Okay, my dear students, I will read it one more time. Please listen and put your finger that the line I'm reading. Okay? Ready? Are you ready? Okay, listen. What a nice place. Bruno ran around the park. Bruno ran around the park. He sat on the swing. He sat on the swing. The swing moved to and fro. He jumped down from the swing. He jumped down. He jumped down from the swing. Whoa, a slide. He climbed up and slide down. He climbed up and slide down. He rolled on the grass. He rolled on the grass. Hi, a climber. Hi, a climber. He climbed up. Bruno then jumped. Bruno then jumped onto a bench. Bruno climbed up and jumped onto a bench. Jumped onto a bench. Go away, shouted a boy. Bruno ran off. Do you understand? Okay, my dears, listen here. Okay, my dears, this is the new words of this part. This is the new words of this part. Okay, take your English word notebook. Write these words in your notebook. Okay, then find out the meaning of these words. Find out the meaning of these words. Are you ready? Are you ready? Okay. Okay, my dears. Okay, my dears, this part should be well read. This part should be well read. Are you ready? Okay, my dear parents, make sure the child is reading it himself or herself. If so, you should sign the part below. അതായത് നിങ്ങളിപ്പോൾ ഞാനെടുത്ത ഈ ഭാഗം ബ്രൂണോ ഇൻ ദി പാർക്ക് എന്ന ഈ പറഞ്ഞ ഈ ഭാഗം നന്നായിട്ട് കുട്ടികളെ കൊണ്ട് വായിപ്പിക്കാം. അവർക്ക് സ്വയം വായിക്കാൻ കഴിയുന്നുണ്ട് എന്ന് ഉറപ്പ് വരുത്തിയെങ്കിൽ മാത്രം നിങ്ങൾ അതിന് താഴെ ഈ ഭാഗത്തിന് താഴെ ഒന്ന് സൈൻ ചെയ്യാം. Are you ready? Okay. If there is any doubt about this part, if any doubt, ask the group or personal. Okay, my dear cities. See you again in the next class. Bye.